Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are gonna see some basic introduction to editing using Inshot. This video is split into two parts, so please make sure that you watch the next one too. So let's get started. Open Inshot. The welcome page contains three options: video, photo and collage. Today we are gonna see only video. Let's begin. The new option is to add new clips for editing. Now I am going to add a video. You can preview the video clip by tap and holding. The green holders are used to trim the video. Let's hit that check mark to add the video. This is our workspace. The red plus sign here is used to add a blank space or another photo or video. Okay, the next one is the canvas. This is used to change the frame size of the video. There are some saved frame sizes suitable for several sites like Instagram. You can adjust the video according to the frame size as you wish. The last feature I am going to introduce in this video is the speed. It helps you to increase the speed of the video clip. That's all for this video. Next important feature is the trim. As I said earlier, it is used to trim the video to desired length. I will do detailed video of every feature in the coming days. The last feature I am going to introduce in this video is the speed. It helps you to increase the speed of the video clip. That's all for this video. If you watched till here, please make sure that you also watch the second part, where I introduce rest of the editing tools. Please subscribe my channel if you like my content.